Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the Moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Welcome. What we're gonna do is we are going to calculate our DEGA rewards. So, for those of you that have not been following or subscribing, which you should, so like, comment, and subscribe. Smash those two. Definitely gonna help us out. We're going to calculate our Cardano rewards. So DEGA is an ISPO where you stake, you delegate to their pool, and instead of earning Cardano, you earn DEGA tokens. Okay, so this is going to be claimable or in the form of an airdrop. That's how you're going to get your tokens. And it goes until January 25th, I believe. So we have a lot of content around DEGA. So first, I want to talk about where DEGA is at, and then we'll get into how you can do this. I have another tutorial on the channel. So if you go to Crypto Moose, okay, you can type in DEGA. So you can search here, type in for DEGA. Check out our shorts. We have short videos on DEGA as well. So you can check out one of the DEGA shorts. I know I have one here that is pretty good. So here you go. What is DEGA? How to delegate to the DEGA ISPO. In my favorite video, actually, if you type in DEGA on YouTube, it does come up pretty swiftly. So any one of these videos will help you out. There's a red one with the red thumbnail, and that is the one that I recommend. So even here, DEGA Rewards dashboard, but I'm going to go through quite a bit of it in this video. But this is the money video. If you watch this video, it's the DEGA multi-chain ISPO. Delegate now with the fire emoji. That video is absolute sauce. It slaps for days for sure. So definitely check that out. So I got my coffee ready, guys. The Moose is loose. I've had 6 cups of coffee. To be honest, like I'm probably gonna get arrested today because like the moose is out of control. I've recorded 7 videos for YouTube, and then I also edited like 4 or 5 videos for my latest online course. So just bear with me. The moose is out of control today, but that's good. You know, it's better than me being tired and slow compared to, the last episode I had. So we're ready to go. The first thing you want to do is go to the Twitters. So this is DEGA. So you want to follow at DEGA_org. That's their official page. I believe it is. Hasn't let me down yet. So you can get into, even more tokens, etc. So, I would say we're October, November, December. We're halfway through the ISPO, if not a little bit more. So we're going to get into what are my totals. And I also have another tips and trick for you. So just found my pen. I'm losing everything. The moose is out of control. It can be difficult. It can be difficult being a moose, right? Because you have all this knowledge, you have all this information, and all this mooseness, right? So comment down below. Have you been infected by the moose? And how has it helped you with your crypto gains? I assume it's helped you because, someone commented the other day, my net worth was $2. Now it's 10 million. And I'm like, guys, I don't even have 10 million. But people watching have been getting a lot out of it, even more than I have. So that's a good thing. So get into the Twitters, get into the Discord, and get to the website. This is DEGA.org. Okay. So the website's looking a little bit different. So the DEGA ISPO reached 10 million total value locked TVL first month. So what you're going to do is go to the top right, and you're going to go to ISPO rewards dashboard. So that's where we're playing at, and that's going to take you to this page. Okay. So you can toggle between Polkadot and Cardano, and I've already plugged in my stake key. So to see how much DEGA you've been accumulating, first off, when you first participate, so I have a video. That's why I wanted you to check out that other video. I show you in that video precisely how to stake. So you're going to paste in right here your address, your stake key address. So the way you find that is you go to your wallet. For example, I can go to the top right here. I can put in my ADA handle. So red cape. And what I can do is copy my address. So if you click up here, you can see my ADA handle. And if I want, I can click here on stake because I'm staking the DEGA 1. Click on stake, okay? And then you can copy the stake key. Or there's another way, which I'm going to show you because the moose is loose. We're going to go to Cardano Scan. So what you can do with Cardano Scan is you can find an address. So here's a Ledger wallet. Here's the exact same wallet. So I'll go to my Trezor 1. And we're going to copy our public address, paste it into cardanoscan.io. And this is our controlled stake key. So what we're doing is when we're delegating, we are signing a transaction saying, yes, I want my controlled stake key to be participating. You're kind of like voting towards that pool. And then the way Cardano works as a proof of stake blockchain is that you can stake to a pool and you earn a little bit of the new supply. In the case of an ISPO, an initial stake pool offering, instead of receiving the native asset, you receive the token that you're participating in this case, DEGA. So there you go. Moose is getting loose, guys. Like Moose is on it today. In fact, I did not have my wallets set up. So I want to share this with you just to show you how dedicated I've been. Right here on Yoroi, my wallets are not in here and I do not have my private keys. So I actually went on one of my YouTube videos and I was looking at the screen and I'm typing in my stake keys. So for those of you, that is commitment, baby. So yeah, Moose just getting loose, just getting started today. So here I have all my stake keys, and what I recommend you to do and what I just figured out to do is you should have a document. For me, I'm just using, what do you call this? Like Pages or my notes? Yeah, my notes. So on my phone now to, if I ever have an issue with my stake keys being added into the address on the website, I can just go to my notes and all I have to do now is copy and then paste. So here I can add address. I already added this address. So now all I have to do is copy these addresses, and for future use, you know, let's say I'm on a different device, different computer, I can just paste in those addresses. So let me know if this helps you out. I think this may help you out a lot. So you can, you know, if you are using different wallets like I am, I have like 14 different Cardano wallets for different use cases. And that's just a little bit of help. So I hope that helps you out. So let's get into the maths. Okay. So let's add this up. So I have my calculator app and we're going to add up our total. So a fun thing that we do here on the channel is every epoch, so every 5 days, basically every week, I give you an update as to how many DEGA tokens we have. So the goal is to get to 50,000, and that's based on how much total ADA do I have here. So the total ADA that I'm delegating, I guess we could do some math on that as well. We will do a rough estimate for that. So let's say 200, 3,200, 3,300, 9, so 4,300. Let's see, 4,500. So, oh, that's 18,000. So a lot more than that. So let's just say, sorry, let me redo this part. So we have 18,500, so 18,600. Let's just say 25. Let's say roughly 25,000 Cardano. So from the first epoch until now, I've been delegating roughly 25,000 Cardano, and I also have the NFT bonus. So there's a lot to talk about. That's why I want you to check out the other video. I also bought the NFT, gives me a 5% bonus. If you also have 3,200 meld or 1,600 Kopi, you'll also get another partnership bonus. So there's that being coming into play. We'll dive into that in a minute as well. So comment down below if you're enjoying this content. So let's add it up. Let's add up our grand total. So we have 1,023. We're going to get it pretty close. Plus 26,000. That's my Trezor wallet. 981 plus 9 right there. So that's not a lot. Plus 75 plus 1,714 plus let's say 188 plus 6,011 plus 385 plus 197 equals 36,583 DEGA. So that's what we've accumulated. Cheers to us all. Cheers to the moose. By the way, one of these wallets are my parents' wallet. So really, I've eclipsed 35,000 DEGA. So that's pretty sweet. So we're almost at 40,000. My goal was to get 50,000 DEGA. And again, we're not earning ADA. We could have been earning ADA. But again, like, I like this project. By the way, DEGA is an infrastructure to help out with the UI, user interface, for metaverse and gaming projects. So you can imagine that when you log in and you don't really know how to set up something like a hardware wallet, you're not equipped with non-custodial crypto wallets. Instead of that, you're going to use DEGA's infrastructure. They're building tools so you can create logins and simplify, traditional gamers to get into the crypto space. So that's kind of like what they do in short form. I've done other videos on DEGA, so if you want to learn more, I've done that. So, we're almost at 37,000 tokens. That's really cool. I didn't think we'd have that much, but I'm definitely feeling loose. Like the moose is feeling loose all the way from I think, what do we have, like 30,000 tokens a couple epochs ago? We're getting 6,000-7,000 per epoch now, which is cool, which is really cool to see. So if we hit this drop down menu, we can see the amounts with more specific. So let's take my big wallet to give you an example. So that is this wallet, my Red Cape wallet. So, this fluctuates. I'm doing yield farming, doing other tutorials, showing you guys what's up. So if you do want to follow my wallet, this gives you a pretty decent scoop and insight as to where my positions are allocated, right? So again, not telling you what to do, just showing you what the moose is up to. So if we go to the wallet, we'll hit this drop down and they have all the specifics, which is sexy. So it looks like last epoch, just from the staking, we got 1,057 DEGA, plus we got 200 with the NFT and the partnership. So where you're going to get the most bang for buck is going to be with the staking, just for the duration for your stake. So have as much ADA and stake it for as long as you can, because I'm earning about, 1,000 per epoch, so every 5 days. So today we're October 12th, 2023, 9 p.m. There's an epoch ended today. That's why I'm doing the video. And yeah, that's definitely really cool to see. Just earning 1,000 per epoch. So this is going to be, just for this wallet, we're going to get over 32,000 DEGA accumulated for sure by, the end of the duration. So, that's kind of one way to look at it. So I hope this helps out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about Cardano, because, I know it's difficult to get into the blockchain space. As you may or may not know, I'm very bullish on Cardano's blockchain. They've got side chains with privacy, a privacy project coming out called Midnight. So I did a video on that. But if you want to get up to speed with Cardano, go in the description. So go under the channel, click on this link, and I will have more links everywhere else. So they're usually under the videos. Click on this and you get access to a free course. All I get is your email. You give me your email, you get downloadable videos to a complete organized Cardano course. So it's a mini course. It will take you from wallet setup. I answer, how to send, receive. We do all these things. And you also get a workbook completely free. I've been getting a good response from this. I'm going to be doing other blockchains as well. It just takes time to develop. Actually, I'm working on another online course. That's mostly what I do with most of my time. That's a big thing that I'm doing. I'm on different platforms, but as you can see here, this course hasn't launched yet, but I just completed a simple guide to cryptos and NFTs. It's 7 hours and 7 minutes. This is all the content for that course. So I've been putting in work. There's a lot of good content coming. It just takes time to develop, get the partnerships. With this course, I partnered with Phil Ebner. He's a huge online instructor. In fact, he's the top on Udemy. He's the biggest on Udemy, and I really like launching courses with him. So he's working on the promo. I'm doing a couple of final touches on the workbook. So yeah, that being said, guys and girls, hopefully you've been enjoying this. I really highly recommend the DEGA ISPO, and comment down below, how much DEGA have you accumulated? Do you have more than the moose? If you have more than the moose, well, then I'm jealous. Cheers.